Hi, I'm Christy with WTI. I have 5 words for you. Taco, cat, goat, cheese, pizza. Have you played this game? If not, you're totally missing out. It's so fun. What I love about this is that it's simple enough that my 6-year-old can play along, but it's so fun that even my husband and I enjoy it. So it's the perfect family game. So here's the concept. You have to have 3 or more players. You deal the deck until all the cards are gone. You don't look at your cards, and then each player will flip over their card when it's their turn, and you start with the phrase taco. Then the second person flips, they say cat, and so on. And if the card that you flip matches what you say, everybody has to slap the table. Whoever is the last person to slap the table has to pick up the deck of cards. So the goal is to be the first person to get rid of your cards, and then you're the winner. My favorite part of the game though are the special cards. So you have a gorilla, groundhog, and a narwhal. So if you flip these cards over, there are certain physical commands you have to do rather than slapping the center of the table. So the gorilla, you do this. The groundhog, you have to slap the table with 2 hands. And the narwhal, that's my favorite. You have to do this. It is so fun and silly. It's very fast paced. And as simple as it sounds, you get confused, you do the wrong thing, and everybody just has a blast. So if you love card games, you need to put this one on your list. You will love it. And that's my point of view.